What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're out here in Nashville, Tennessee doing a killer 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos system with Focal 1000 series, and we had to get some bass in here. We have our Focal 1000 IWLCR6s flanking our screen, front, left, right, and center. We got the IW6s for our surrounds and our surround rears, and then we have 4 overhead Dolby Atmos effects. We have the Focal 1000 ICA6s up there. Now, no system is complete without heart-pounding bass, and nobody does it better than SVS. Bang for your buck, they have insane value. I mean, a lot of different models to choose from at very great price points. So today we're gonna be unboxing the SB-4000, which is a sealed 1300 watt sub. I'm gonna be bringing in Kellen, our national sales director, to go over some of the key specifications and things that he likes so much about SVS. If you would like to purchase this product, keep in mind we're nationwide. We have free shipping. You can shop on our online store or reach out for a free video consultation with one of our specialists. All right, I'm gonna pass it off to Kellen and he's gonna give you the lowdown. Over to you, Kellen.
Alrighty guys, so like Zach mentioned, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the SB-4000 subwoofers. This is a sealed sub in their 4000 series. It features a 13.5 inch woofer, 1400 watts amplifier, 4000 peak wattage. The subwoofer is gonna be about 18 inches tall, 22 inches deep. I know I personally, back in the day, used to own a couple pair of the PB-4000s. Extremely pleased with their performance. I know these sealed subs are going to be rocking in this size room. So right on top here, you're gonna have warranty documentation. You're actually going to have a remote to actually control some of the DSP functions on these built into the sub itself. You have your power cord here. You have your metal grill cover, which I think is really nice. The cloth ones are okay too, but I like the metal ones in case you have some kiddos that may kicking balls around.
I got those.
The subs.
Got those kiddos.
This is the black ash finish. This is a 13.5 inch woofer, 1400 watt built-in amplifier here on the back. You're gonna have your usual suspects, line level out, your line level in, your LFE input, 12 volt trigger, XLR connections here in and out, your main power in, and your power toggle switch down at the bottom. So really excited to get both of these fired up and get this room rocking.
All right, Dream Media family, one other thing that I wanted to add in, this is a super small part, but very important. Surge protection on all low voltage items around your home is extremely important. This is a single wall tap from WATTBOX, 540 joules, nice little EMI RFI filtration device. Gets the job done at a very low cost. It's perfect for subwoofers, which is why I'm showing it to you guys today. I'm gonna recommend these when you reach out to Dream Media. We're gonna throw one on each subwoofer to protect the customer's investment. All right, Dream Media family, now that we got our subwoofers out of the box, we're gonna move on to our low voltage wiring. Here at Dream Media, we literally sell everything that you guys need. Today, we're gonna be using it for our subwoofers, and what we're gonna be doing is cutting a single gang hole on each side next to our power outlet, and we're gonna be running RCAs to our Marantz AVR. Let's talk about the ways that you can connect your subwoofers. The most common is going to be RCA and connecting it out to the LFE. You're gonna assign all your crossovers and do all of your heavy lifting with your AVR. You can also connect for more advanced AVRs, your subwoofers via XLR. There's also different types of subwoofers. These are active powered subwoofers, meaning the amplifier is built into the unit. So we're just gonna take LFE signal out of our AVR into the subwoofers, each individual one, so we have independent bass control. In addition to that, we sell passive subwoofers. The way that it works is we'll run a low voltage wire, essentially just a speaker wire, like a 12-2 or a 14-2 speaker wire to the subwoofer, which cuts back on wiring. And then we put our amplification in the rack, and then you just take RCA or XLR out of your amplifier that's mounted in the rack into your processor. So then it's the same process, just LFE out into the subwoofer amplifier, and then it feeds that low voltage signal that's now powered over to the subwoofer. In this case, it's all done internally, LFE straight from the AVR. I actually want to get these subwoofers as close to the corner as possible. When you can corner load a sub, you're going to get additional room response. I'd like to do, if at all possible, additional subs at the rear of the room too for better dispersion. But 2 subs, front corners of the room is typical best practice if you can't get a sub in each corner. I kind of like to do opposing corners if at all possible, but in this room, the seating is going butted up right against the back wall. There's not going to be anywhere to put a rear sub. So this would be a good opportunity if you're wanting even better bass response in room to put passive in-wall subwoofers at the rear of the room to help compensate and give you better dispersion at the rear of the room. I'm gonna go ahead and pop out our cables. Super nice quality cables, guys. SVS has always just been an incredible performer. Everything they do is bang for your buck. I mean, I'm just a huge fan. Super premium, great price point. It's important to note that they are directional. As you can see, there's a little arrow. So we're gonna need to run it in the correct orientation, being that the signal is going this way to our subwoofer. I am going to feed this end of the cable through the wall to our rack. I got my 2 cables kind of lined up, and now I'm gonna get my drywall saw and cut a single gang hole over here. And I'm gonna give myself a couple inches so I don't break the sheetrock and go ahead and start cutting. I've cut a ton of single gang holes over the years, so I'm pretty familiar with just freehand cutting these, but we do have these little tools you can get at Home Depot that kind of create a stencil. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and push through our RCA. So it can be connected to our AVR. And this part here, we're gonna put a pass-through plate on and it's gonna hook right to our LFE. So probably have to make the hole a little bit bigger because of these Home Depot wall plates that we're using here. And we're gonna go right here, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen up the power cable just a little bit. Now we're ready to make our connections for our subwoofer. We have power and we have RCA. We got our on-off buttons. We have balanced inputs and outputs. As I said, you can use XLR. We're gonna be using today the LFE port. So there's also a trigger, but we're just gonna have it auto sense to turn on. So you can also do line level output here. Go ahead and put our grills on. All right, Dream Media family, that is a wrap on our SB-4000 unboxing. In the future, you guys will have to subscribe to our channel to check out this full build. If you would like to buy this subwoofer or anything home theater related, reach out today to Dream Media for a free video consultation or shop online. We have all the industry leading brands to choose from with 5-star service. We're nationwide and we have installers in 28 different states. We'd love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
Okay. Yeah.